Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Deeth and I'm going to teach you how to play Factory. Factory is a great improv game you can play with a large group of people, and you can adjust it to any season. For Christmas, Candy Cane Factory. For Halloween, regular Candy Factory. For Easter, Easter Egg Factory. Whatever you want, you can do it. Use your imagination. So what we need is 3 factory workers, a boss, and a line of people who want to work in the factory, and 1 late worker. That late worker is going to leave the room, not being able to hear anything that's being said. The rest of the group is going to decide 3 things: why the late worker is late, how he got to work, and how he's going to make it up to his boss. So those 3 things. Now once you have those, everybody gets in line. You have the line of the workers wanting to work. You have the 3 workers here. You have the boss. And then the late worker comes in. The late worker is okay, this is the late worker, that's the boss. The late worker is standing here. The workers are here, and they're going to improv why he's late. So why he's late, let's say he tripped and fell. Tripped and fell. They're going to improv that. They're not going to say anything. They cannot speak. They have to do this. And the whole time, if the boss turns around on the 3 workers and catches them moving, instead of making their candy canes or Easter eggs or whatever you want them to do, they are fired if they're moving, okay? And if they are fired, they have to run and get into the end of the line, and all those workers can jump in and they can be part of the game and do the whole thing. Once they get the first question, they move on to the second question, how did he get there? And then to the third question, how's he going to make it up to the boss? Now you can simplify this game for little ones and just do 1 thing. And as they get better, add the 3 questions. So I would start with just the basic, why is he late for work? The basic first question, why is he late for work? And then if they get that, then they can switch it off. And if you're really good at it, you can do all 3. Pick someone who's the boss and make sure that they're mean and ask all those questions and they don't turn around too many times. And all the workers should know how to make their candy canes, Easter eggs, I don't know, whatever you want it to be, okay? And have fun and be creative. It shouldn't be the same thing and the same thing. 3 different things. Why is it he tripped? How did he make it up to his, how did he get there? He rode a unicorn. And how's he gonna make it up to his boss? Well, he's gonna give him a foot massage. I don't know. Make it random and neat. Have fun with this and enjoy playing Factory.